Hello everyone. Today I'd like to touch on the topic of cruciferous vegetables. I'm sure you've heard that cruciferous vegetables are superfoods and they are very important vegetables to help reduce the risk of cancer. Although all vegetables are important, all vegetables play their part in reducing illnesses, but research does indicate that cruciferous vegetables have got high levels of phytonutrients or phytochemicals that reduces the risk of these things called free radicals that damage cells. So research does indicate that cruciferous vegetables are indeed important in order for you to stay away from cancer and reduce the impact of cancer. When you think of cruciferous vegetables, I'm sure you think of this one, the superfood called broccoli, or you would think of this vegetable, cauliflower, or you'd even think of this one, cabbage. Would you consider this to be a cruciferous vegetable? Well, this is a radish, and radish is also a cruciferous vegetable. So now that you know that radish is a cruciferous vegetable and is like this, it reduce the risk of cancer. Do include radish in your diet. For your information, this is called a Daikon radish, and this one is a locally grown radish called it's a local radish. In Bahasa Malaysia, radish is called lobak putih, and this one is called lobak kampung. In Tamil, it's called buleng kiranga, and this one is called nattu buleng kiranga. Besides reducing the risk of cancer, it has high levels of vitamin C, and although it's a root vegetable, radish is a non-starchy vegetable. Also low in carbohydrates, so diabetics, this is a good vegetable, a useful and an important vegetable to include in your diet. So I'm going to show you a simple radish salad that is so flavorful, it's tangy, so easy to make, and yet so nutritious. So the ingredients are basically coarsely grated radish, about half a medium-sized radish, and then we need a little bit of sliced shallots, just a tiny bit of sliced chilies. You can omit this if you don't want to. I added this because I like it, the kick that salad gives, that chili gives me. Some salt, some lime juice, any kind of lime juice or even lemon juice. What I'm using today is this one. This is calamansi, which is very commonly used in Malaysia, Indonesia, in Southeast Asia. This is little limes that we have here in Malaysia. It's called calamansi, like that. It's very easy to squeeze as well. And to add that tangy kick, I'm going to add this flour. I'm going to very finely slice a little bit of this flour and add it to this radish. This is called torch ginger, or it's also called torch lily. You find it in tropical countries. For those of you who are not around this region, this is how it is. It's got a really, really nice flavor and smell. So the torch lily or torch ginger that I'm using here, this is still a bud. When it does bloom, it's like a beautiful flower. You can sometimes have, mostly we find this in a light shade of pink, but sometimes you also get a deeper shade of red, or it's red, a red flower or bloom. You don't necessarily have to use this, but then I just thought I'll use this today because I love the flavor that it gives. This is how it looks inside. You see, it looks like there's some seeds inside. But anyway, I'm just going to take a few of the petals of this bloom, just a little bit, just a few. I'm not going to use all of them. I don't want too strong a flavor either. So I'm just going to very thinly slice this and add it into my salad. Just a few pieces. I'm not wearing gloves and so on because this is just going to be eaten by my husband and me. So, you know, that's fine. That's it. Just a little bit. So you can just put it in here. Add this. And then I'm going to add the chilies as well as the onion. So all this has to be mixed up. Some salt. Okay, and a little bit of lime juice. I'm going to use a fork to mix it. So, you can add a tiny bit of sugar if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that today because this radish it does have a slightly pungent flavor, and it could be a little bit bitter as well. So to offset that, you could use some dried shrimp, chopped up dried shrimp that has been toasted, toasted in a pan, or you can even use some roasted or toasted peanuts in here to offset that slightly bitter taste that you have sometimes. You do have in radish, but as I said, it's so yummy. Even though it has that slight bitterness, it's really yummy to eat. So here it is, my radish salad. Do give it a try. It is a method in which you can incorporate raw radish into your diet. Raw radish is power-packed with nutrition. So thank you so much everyone for joining me today in this chat about radish being a cruciferous vegetable. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. Bye guys.